In the heart of autumn, where the southern skies meet the bay, lies the tranquil town of Mallacoota on a mild, serene day. The sun casts its golden rays on Harrison's channel so still, reflecting dreams and memories that only nature can fulfill. Oh, crystal sapphire waters and golden sands, reflections on a clear autumn day, where Gaybo Island's lighthouse guards the sailors on their way. In Mallacouta's gentle embrace, time seems to sway. Four islands stand as sentinels, each with a story to tell. Gaybo in the far horizon, where the lighthouse cast its spell. Horse, goat, and rabbit rest in the shallow lake, their silhouettes a testament to the peace that they partake. Oh, crystal sapphire waters and golden sands, reflections on a clear autumn day, where Gaybo Island's lighthouse guards the sailors on their way. In Mallacouta's gentle embrace, time seems to sway. Fishing boats returning from the calm, bountiful sea, their eskies filled with the ocean's gifts, their spirits wild and free. The symphony of nature in hues of green and blue, on this mild, stunning day, beneath skies so true. Oh, crystal sapphire waters and golden sands, reflections on a clear autumn day, where Gaybo Island's lighthouse guards the sailors on their way. In Mallacouta's gentle embrace, time seems to sway. Fishing boats returning from the calm, bountiful sea, their eskies filled with the ocean's gifts, their spirits wild and free. A symphony of nature in hues of green and blue, on this mild, stunning day, beneath skies so true. Oh, crystal sapphire waters and golden sands, reflections on a clear autumn day, where Gaybo Island's lighthouse guards the sailors on their way. On this mild, stunning day, in hues of green and blue, on this mild, stunning day, beneath the autumn sky. Mallacoota, you're a paradise, a place where spirits fly. Oh, crystal sapphire waters and golden sands, reflections on a clear autumn day, where Gaybo Island's lighthouse guards the sailors on their way. In Mallacouta's gentle embrace, time seems to sway.